Peace, people. I hope you're good. Yo, now this is a special unboxing. I mean, they always are, really, generally. You know, I'm very blessed to be in this position to review shoes for you. I'm glad you're joining me. But basically, yeah, this is a killer combination courtesy of my family from Footshop once again, holding it down in the Czech Republic, yo. I just want to shout out Lucas for looking out, as he always handsomely does. So, what have we got for you? Okay, here I have the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. And right here, I have the Air Jordan 4 UNCs that just dropped. Both of them are cold, literally cold. So let's go first with these. The Peter Moore designed classic Air Jordan 1s. And these ones dropped just before these as well, so it makes sense. All right, now when images of these first dropped, people's jaws dropped, and quite rightly so. Just look at that sort of cool blue with the grey pop against the white contrast. How beautiful are they? Absolutely crazy. Now let's get up close so you can check it out. The colour, I just love it. Absolutely wicked, like that washed out blue. The leather, as you'd expect from a Jordan 1, is on point. I mean, we're not talking New Balance levels, come on. But hey, you know what? It does the job. But hey, just look at that. That is a cold, cold look. Perfect look for summer. Oh yeah, no question. I mean, Peter Moore must be saying, yo, I think whoever designed these internally at Jordan Brand done a great job, okay? Now, to these. Now, for me, the Air Jordan 4 is my favorite shoe of all time. It's an all-time classic silhouette. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The plastic wings, the whole thing. Tinker Hatfield went all out when designing these bad boys. Oh, by the way, check out the box. So you got the cement right there, and you got the color-coded there for the University of North Carolina colors, which was the college, the university that Michael Jordan played at. Right, now to the shoes. Just check it. Look at that. I mean, the cheese wedge profile is there. The way the color blocking enhances the silhouette. These just pop so well. I would have preferred a Nike Air logo on the back, but the thing is, these aren't an original color, so they get the Jumpman logo. Let's get up close for you. Now, the suede on these is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The speckled cement right there, always a winner. And on the wings. But the thing is, there's one key feature here on the tongue. The addition of that Jordan logo and detailing. But I got to say, you know, I'm sure Tinker's looking at these goes, yeah, you guys did a great job. I wish I'd designed these ones back in the day for Jordan to play in. Obviously, would have flattered the uniform code of the NBA at the time, considering he'd left North Carolina to play for the Bulls. But hey, I have to say, these pair up so nicely and are a wicked look for summer. So I've got to shout out my Footshop fan for looking out once again. Lucas, I appreciate you. All right, that's what's up. Peter Kovku, you too, my brother, and the whole crew out there, 1000 Sneakers as well. And to you people, thanks again for joining me. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend, all right? One love and peace.